It's your boy Moses. Today we're gonna go through some analysis on Boom 500. We'll start by Boom 500. Market structure. Wait, sorry. Let me remove this. Yes. As I said, my name is Moses. You all know me. I've been doing forex analysis and mentorship for the last 7 years. I do forex trading, forex mentorship, and also I do some other online stuff that is not associated with forex. So we're back again with another banger. Today we want to analyze since it's a holiday. We want to analyze the market. Today is a Easter. It's a Good Friday, and we having a very long holiday. So we're gonna start by since I'm an indoor person, I'm not usually outgoing. I'm gonna do some analysis on synthetics, since they are the ones that operate during the weekends only. Anyway, now let's go back into the market direct. We go direct to the market. We analyzing Boom 500 today. What are we having here? Mostly, I love to do top down analysis. I love to do top down as in only to check the market structure. As you can see on the 1-day time frame. Actually, what I usually do, I usually change my chart from candles to line chart, so that can see on the overall what is happening on that market. Actually, on Boom 500 on a daily time frame, we've been having bears in control. So we have been trying to find some selling positions. So here we are. Right now. We're having this level here, whereby the market is forming a double. This is a double top on the daily time frame. You see this level here. The market came to this level. First it reached this level. It went down to this level. Then it came back and retested this resistance level. Came back down here almost to this support level, but it never touched the level. And then it came back to the resistance level. So the market has been consolidating on the daily time frame around this level. Let's go to the 4-hour guys and see and try and see whether you can find some entry levels. On the 4-hour time frame, it's exactly the same what we said. The market is consolidating within this region. These two regions, it's consolidating. Once it gets to this point, it takes a buy position. It gets to this point, you get a sell position, like that, and henceforth. So this market, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for the market to come back to this level, and then I'm gonna take my sell positions. Alternatively, I can put my sell limit orders around this area. You see this area, around 49, around 48.76. This is where I might put my sell limit orders. In case the market gets to that point and I'm not in the market, it will just execute itself. And this is where I'm gonna take my take profit, this level. For now, I'm gonna leave the market at that point. Since you never know, it might not even get back to this level. It might break this level and continue on the downtrend. Yes, let's go to another market. We go to Crash 500. Crash 500 is another market that I just entered some minutes ago. As we all know, I start with the 1-day time frame. I start with I like to check on the market structure first, and see what is happening on the overall. So on the Crash 500 on the daily time frame, we having a series of higher lows and higher highs. So the market is on a downtrend. So from this point, we're gonna be trying to find selling position. So we'll be going with the trend. We go to 4 hour. On the 4 hour time frame, let me zoom in my chart. Zoom out, sorry, my chart. No, I think zoomed. Let me zoom out just one level out. Yes, there's this level on the 4 hour time frame whereby I'm having a double bottom, though it's not. Remember, guys, we said when the level is tested twice, when the market is on a downtrend, that becomes a resistance level. So the market came to this level, it kind of retraced to this level, and then it came back to this level. So this one is I consider it a zone whereby we're gonna we could have taken our sell position from here, but since I was not in the market, I'll wait for a retest at this level, of which I think it's now retesting. This is where the market is. Actually, it's been consolidating for a while on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see on the 1 day time frame. Yes, this is our level. So the market has to come and break. I was waiting for it to break structure and give me a selling signal, a sell signal, and here it is. It gave me a bearish. This is a bearish engulfing candle. This was my trigger entry candle. So this one we're gonna go downtrend up to the level 3202. This is a level already have positioned. I have already sell positions on this level. This is where I'll put my take profit. This one is my stop loss. This is where I put my stop loss around this level. Yes. So another market that I wanted us to check on and find whether we can find some opportunities is we already analyzed Boom 500. We have analyzed Crash 500. Now we go to let's see whether we can get Crash 600, something on Crash 600. Okay, on Crash 600 on the daily time frame, the market is on a bullish trend. It's on a bullish trend. Here it is. Here it formed a double bottom, and the market started trending upsides. Here you see this level: high, high, low, high. And here we have in our resistance level. There's a major resistance level here. So if at all we're going to enter this market, we're going to take our profit around this level. This is why we're going to exit the market. And I'm going to put my stop loss around this level. Let me see on the 4 hour time frame what is happening. On the 4 hour, yes, you can see the market is consolidating around the same level. It comes to this point, goes back to support, tries its best, support. So if is anything I could have do to this market, I'll take a buy limit order around this level, around 208.42, and my take profit will be around 21.22, around 21.221. Yes, guys, that is for now. We're gonna leave this market. I'm gonna wait for it around this area because it's too much gone. I don't want to enter that market while it's too much gone. Though you can find if you really needed to enter this market, you can find opportunities on a 15-minute time frame. Maybe you can wait for a retracement, sorry. Alternatively, another way of trading this, you can draw your trend line. I can see that there's a level here. Here you can draw your trend line like that. You draw your trend line like that if you really want to trade on Crash 600. So once the market comes back to this level, to 1022.686, you take your buy position and then you exit around on your next resistance, which is this level. Around this level, 21.22.1. Yeah, that is for someone and this is where you put your stop loss around this level. So that is, guys, that is Crash 600. That is where you put your stop loss around that level. That is Crash 600. What else was I to check? Crash 900. Crash 900, what is happening here? Yes, Crash 900 is a pretty good market. I had checked on, you see these levels I had already indicated. I had drawn these levels. It's on a bullish trend. It buys all along. It's been buying for, I think, the longest time. So my level of interest, my key level of interest was this level around 130.77, whereby the market is already retesting. So I was waiting. I'm supposed to be having some to find some buying opportunities around this level. Either I'm waiting for a confirmation on like a double bottom pattern chart. But you remember price action, the pattern, the trading chart patterns, whereby you get a double bottom and then you take your buy positions around this place 129.18 and you take profit at 132.80. So for now, we're gonna be patient and wait the market to come back to this level, and then alternatively I can put my buy stop orders around this area, and my stop loss, gonna put my stop loss around there and my take profit from there. So that is, guys, with our chart analysis today. I don't want to be in the market for long. I don't want to. It was just a weekend analysis, a little bit of analysis for the Easter holidays. And I think wishing you a happy Easter holiday, and we'll see on Monday. We'll see on Monday and see where our trades. You see how our trades will have performed by then. Anyway, guys, my director here was trying to tell me something, but I think it's good. And sorry, yes, guys, I want you to, if you enjoying my videos, I'd like you to like, share, and subscribe on my channel. I'll be very grateful, and we see how it goes. So I'm out. Cheers, happy Easter holidays, and have a good one.